Hi everyone, and welcome to this introductory video on the tool Miro. Miro is basically an online collaborative space where you can jointly with your clients, colleagues, participants of online events, collect ideas, thoughts, and inspiration on a large scale. So in another video, we have presented you the tool Padlet, which we also like working with, but Miro just takes it that step further. It's a little less easy and intuitive, but it also offers all the more options. In a pre-corona world, imagine a seminar room you went into and you had all these tools like flip charts and pin boards and whiteboards and sticky notes and all different kind of colors. Everything you love to work with when you love to work creatively and efficiently together. And now what Miro does is to take all of this and transport it into an online setting. So what we actually do have here is a big online space where we can be creative, where we can collect our ideas. And there are so many options Miro offers, but I will just show you now the two most important features that we are going to use for our online training courses. This is sticky notes and mind map. So I'll start off with the sticky notes. I'm here on a Miro board that I have created. And here to the left, on the left bar, you can choose sticky note by just clicking on it once. Then you already have the little sticky note in your hand. You can also choose a respective color already and click on it again, and then you have it here. It's already selected, so you can still work with it. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can type into it. You can say, oh, wait a second, I want to change that to a more international approach. You can change the color, you can change the font, you can change the font size. So there are all different options what you do with that. You click on it and copy paste it, or you just go for another one in another color and click on that again. And here you are. So this is sticky notes, very easy tool and simple feature of Miro to collect thoughts and ideas. Second one, mind maps. Mind maps also a good tool to collect ideas, maybe in already a little bit more of a structured way than sticky notes, whatever you prefer. Here you find it also on the left bar via the point templates. Click on it. And there is really a whole range of templates really you can use for your work in Miro. But for now, we go with the mind map. You edit. You select, okay, this one is a little small, make it a little bigger, or really just zoom in here on the right bottom. You can just zoom in as far as you want to. And same works here. You click on it twice to be able to change. You select whatever today. What did we have for breakfast? And then on the different branches, again, click on it once, click on it twice to write into it. I had eggs, I had orange juice. If you want to add another sub branch, you can either click on the plus or on the tap on your keyboard. You can say, oh, my orange juice was really healthy. It was yellow, and you see what I'm talking about. If you want to add another branch, just click on the enter button on your keyboard. You can easily select again and delete just by the delete function. You can change also here the color of your branches. You can move them to wherever you want to have them. So same story, very easy way to collect your ideas, here in that case via a mind map. We will use both features in our online trainings. What we have done is to set up two frames here to have basically like a little bit of a playground where you can try to set up your own mind map, where you can include sticky notes and just get acquainted with the tool. Feel free to use it. We will provide the link, and you just have fun trying out the tool Miro and then use it in our upcoming online training courses.